Want to change your username in Discord, but not sure how? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Discord username. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile name at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Account to access your account settings. Here, you'll see your current Discord username. Now click on your username. Enter the new username you'd like to use. If the username is available, Discord will allow you to continue. If it's already taken, try a different variation. Once you've chosen an available username, tap Save to confirm the change. Now, enter your Discord password, then tap Done to confirm the change. That's it. Your Discord username has now been updated successfully. And that's how you can change your username in Discord. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.